This could be the car for you. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. The heavy-duty full-size pickup truck that has the power and technology you need to get the big jobs done. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, keyless start, 4-wheel drive. Take the high road. Get a truck that has all the power and technology you need and the comfort you deserve. Test drive the Silverado 2500 HD.